Welcome to My Healthy Food Quest. My name is Jared. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tofu scramble. We're going to make this very healthy. This is for all you vegans out there. So we're going to need tofu. I like to use silken tofu because it's very soft. See how easy it breaks apart? So it almost looks like scrambled eggs almost. We're going to use our peppers. So we got red, green, orange, yellow for all the colors, garlic, sweet onions, chanterelle mushrooms, and nutritional yeast, which gives it a buttery flavor, some chives for garnish, and these are my secret seasonings. So I have salt and pepper in here, I have turmeric in this one. These two I'll make a video on how I make my spice blends. So what we're gonna need to do is turn on our pot in our pan. So here I have some rosemary infused oil, which I made a video, so go check that out to see how I did this. Some more oil in here. Alright, so now I'm just going to add the garlic first. Let's go about half. Then your peppers. So this is about half of a pepper. I'm using half of the half. Your onions in there. Smelling yummy. Let's get our mushrooms. Something in there. Okay, so here you want to stir everything around, get it going. Normally I let that go for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then I scrape the tofu in. So see, there's a little bit of water there. You don't really want that in there. So I'm going to try to lift it out. Drop it in there. Okay. Now, these are going to be your best friends. All I do, I grab like this, and I just chop. And you do that. Scoop, lift, scoop and lift. You just want to chop it down. So it almost looks like scrambled eggs. That's why they call it a tofu scramble. Look at that already. Okay, so while that's cooking, now we'll season. See, it already looks like eggs. So you ask, what gives it the egg color? It's the turmeric. Turmeric. A little salt and pepper. Secret seasoning. And some of our nutritional yeast. Alright, good. Let's incorporate that. If you want it a little bit more yellow, you can add more turmeric. Turn off our pan. And ladies and gentlemen, that is your tofu scramble. So let's plate. So put that in there. Garnish. here's our tofu scramble. Let's see how it tastes. So it smells really good. Very good. So if you're looking for a breakfast substitute, this is perfect. And it's very healthy for you. Very high in protein. And you won't feel guilty eating it. You can eat this anytime you want, actually. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. But it's very good. And hot. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and I will keep making more videos. Until next time.